Hello and welcome back to the continuation of this video. So here, whenever they ask for your nationality, I told you you have to use the address on your bank statement that you want to use. So since I want to use GigPay, sorry. Since I want to use GigPay bank statement, so I have to, this is how you generate your bank statement on Reanest. So let me input my this thing. So you just come to make sure you have received money on this. Me have already received money on my dollar account, so I need bank statement from it. So you click on this more. Click on this more. So you select account statement, generate account statement. So if you are using gray, it's also similar. So make sure it is recently issued. So we are in July now. I will select that of June in PDF. Then you download. Okay, I've already downloaded it. So you download it. Now gray. That of gray should be like this. Let me pause this video. So for gray, just click on more also. Okay, no, sorry. Click on euro. Okay. So you click on the account that you want to generate bank statement for. You can click on this 3 dots. Then you see something like account statement here. That's for gray. Okay, then you download. Okay, so most of the banks that we are seeing now, whether we are registering on board global, some of them are just asking for proof of income. Whenever they ask you for proof of income, they're asking you for bank statements. So take note of that. So since it is like this now, I want to open the column bank statement generated by my okay, this is the bank statement. So you have to use the address. You have to use the address on this bank statement for it. The name I'm using now is this. This is the name I'm using, and this address. That's what you are going to use. It must match. So I'm going to copy it exactly the way it is on your bank statement. That is if you are using Reanest. I hope you are not confused with this video now. That is if you are using Reanest. Now, but if you are not using Reanest, you want to use your local bank account. Maybe you have First Bank to use or GT Bank. You want to use them, but you can still generate bank statement. Now if you are using GT Bank, you cannot use GT Bank statement because it will be passworded and Payoneer will not collect it. So it's better you use OP for your bank statement. Now when you are using OP or PalmPay, the address on your OP, that's all you will copy. Are you following now? The address on your OP together with the name. You make sure that it is the name. The name on the OP must also tally with the name on this Payoneer. Please take note of all these things. Take note of all these things. Very, very important. That is if you are using your local bank account. Are you following now? But I'm using Reanest to link it. So this is the address. Oh, sorry. They've logged me out, so let me try to log in back. Now I'm going to fill the address that I copied from my bank statement now. So you have to select enter manually. Enter manually. Okay. So enter manually. Street and number is check my clipboard. So street, what C12 Peace Estate. So C12 Peace Estate behind Antimoko area, Malaysia. So that does it. Next, so what bank accounts do you want to withdraw funds? So I'm not using Nigeria. If you are using local bank accounts, so you have to just select Nigeria and input your this thing. For example, if you are using local bank accounts, let me do that one for you. You are using First Bank. You have to, what is happening? You have to select First Bank. First Bank of Nigeria Limited. Those are the banks I told you. Now they will ask you of the branch. So that's another thing. They will ask you of the branch. After you select First Bank of Nigeria, they will ask you for the branch. So I'm not using local bank, that's why I'm not selecting it. They will ask you of the branch. So whenever they ask you for the branch and the drop down, look at this drop down. What I mean by drop down is all these options. If you discover that you cannot find your branch, they will list some options like this. If you discover that you cannot find your branch, just type the name of your branch. Maybe you are living in Lagos and your branch is in Surulere. Just type Surulere inside this post. To bring it out, just say Surulere, Lagos. That's just the hint I want to give you if you are finding it difficult for locating your branch. So I'm not using local bank account. I want to use dollar account. So I will select the bank country. I'm using GBP. I will use United Kingdom. If you are using dollar, you are going to use United States. So the bank name is, how do you check your bank name? Go and check it at Reanest. So the bank name is Clear Junction. I think Clear Junction Limited. That's So this is the bank name here. You can see the details. Clear Junction Limited, that's the bank name they are asking for. Clear Junction Limited. Okay, you can copy it. Okay, let me type it. Clear. You can see Clear Junction Limited. If you paste it, copy and paste it, they will not see it. So you have to type it. Clear Junction Limited. They're asking for the sort code. This is the sort code. Make sure you don't make any mistake. So this is my sort code. So I'm 041307, that's my sort code. Okay, so I'm clicking on next. So they will ask you, what bank account do you want to withdraw from to? Is it personal or business? So it's my personal business account, so I leave it. The currency is in GBP. So the details there, I've already seen it. Then the account number, they're asking for account number here. Copy the account number here. There's the account number here. I'm seeing it, but IBAN number. This is the account number. Okay. So you have to verify that 3934447. Okay, so that you don't make any mistake. So you next. So take a moment to review their terms and conditions. You agree, then you confirm. Before you confirm, if you have made any mistake, make sure you go back. This is how to go back. Because once you confirm, you cannot go back again. You cannot edit it again. And if you try to change anything, the union can terminate your account for that. So that's it. You can click on this arrow to go back if you think you made any mistake. Okay. So I will just click on confirm now. Confirm to continue. So this is the point whereby they are going to be reviewing the information, I guess. So that's the point whereby they will review it for a while. After the review process, they will now get back to you on it. So now, okay, now it has reached the point whereby you are going to submit your proof of address. You click on submit. Proof of address. Sorry. The name must match. The name must match. So you shall provide a document that verifies your residential address. The document needs to show your full name, your full current residential address, including postal code. So, and what are the documents they are accepting here? Service or utility bill. If you are using NEPA bill, that's an example of utility bill. It must show your name. Your bank statement, your tax document must also show your name. So it must be within last 6 months. So I will select bank statement or account confirmation letter. There are even They are accepting account confirmation, so it's not really compulsory we use bank statements. Account confirmation, that's like a proof of address. Let me see. Proof of address from Reanest here. You can also generate proof of address or proof of account confirmation like this. Let me just click on it. Proof of accounts. Look at it. You click on request proof of account here. So this is it. I can even use this proof of account. I think it will be more faster. So download. Let me open it and see before I upload it though. The address, I don't even know if they will put address there. Then let me check. All the details there must match this thing. So you can see now when Taiwo, Clear Junction, my everything is there. So I hope they are going to accept this proof of address. Look at everything now from Reanest now. So I'm going to use my proof of account. I think that one will be more acceptable than the bank statement, because the Reanest bank statement is not really active like that. I think there's an error there. So they are not really showing the transaction that I've made on that account. So that's the reason why. So verify your address. Okay, so bank statement or account confirmation letter. So I want to use the account confirmation letter here. Photo. So let me just select this proof of account. So if they are not going to accept it, it will not even upload from this place. It will not upload. So let's just wait for it to upload and check. And check their comment. See now, it has uploaded successfully. Then you submit and wait for their mail. You wait for their mail. Anything they tells you, if they ask you to change it, you can change it. So but you cannot be able to change. Look at it. That's it for now. Then you wait for their mail. Click on done. Start taking. So that's how to open Payoneer successfully. I wish you best of luck. Thank you.